I am. We are off to the Great Smoky Mountains this time round.
My name's Liam, and this is Ellie, and together we have travelled a lot over the North American continent.
So join us as we visit all the national parks across the USA.
31 states and 2 territories.
Welcome to Project 63. That's good. That's the one. That's the one. We might be a little bit early for the whole bear thing because it is still quite misty and thingy, but also that is pretty fucking incredible. Yeah, I want to say it's Clingman Stone, but they've changed the name of it. Kauai. And we're walking up the steep bit. And you think I'm being dramatic. I'm not being dramatic. I am unfit. But even Elle, who goes to the gym.
I don't go to the gym often, but I'm unfit too. Fucking hell.
It is hard work. It's so steep. How are you feeling?
I'm not even there yet.
We're not even like a fifth of the way there. I think I'm right in saying that is the tallest point, highest point in the Great Smoky Mountains National Park. Well worth a visit. Although the hike is hard work. But you can't really complain when this is a result. Yeah.
Should I stand on there and then I count? Does that mean that I've done it?
Yeah, go on, go down there. Keep going. 300 miles, keep going.
I'm here in her natural habitat. Tourist.
Tourist in the wild. Great view though, isn't it? Really.
No, get out of the view.
Windows down, scattered clouds, smell of spring outside. Open road, you sitting close. Let's go somewhere far away. 'Cause if all I have is you, then I'll be just fine. Heading for the western shore, while the sun it slowly fades. Days are full, and I'll spend them with you. So let's go somewhere far away. 'Cause if all I have is you, then I'll be just fine.
you can see that, but there is a bear down in the middle of the road.
Little dearie.
The mum's there as well.
All I gotta do is out there.
Fighting. The mum's right there. Yeah, there's another cub of the mum. Like Sound of Music or something. I was about to say that.
It's not a bad way to start the morning, is it? Yesterday was a pretty chill day. We got, well, I'll say that. We got up at 5 a.m. and drove over to Cades Cove to try and see some bears, which you would have seen the clips of now. But after that, we literally all came back, grabbed a sub from Publix, sat down to watch a film, just try and relax a little bit, and then all of us fell asleep for like 4 hours. This morning we're going to try and go out to, I think it's called Mouse Creek Falls and Midnight Hole. Should be about a 4-mile hike, I think, around the northeast side of the park. Apparently it's somewhere we can maybe go swimming. So yeah, we'll see how we get on with that.
We're at the start of the hike down to Midnight Hole. You follow this sort of like, I don't want to say off-road, it's more like a gravelly road. You come to a small parking lot on the right. I think that's the ranger station. If you keep going down, if it's open obviously, there is a gate that can be closed. You can come to this car park this way, which is for day use only. You do need a parking tag. And they have restrooms down there, which were, to be fair, reasonably clean. This is what you're looking for. The Big Creek Trail to Midnight Hole. Potentially onto Mouse Creek Falls if we fancy it. Initial reviews of this and what we've seen online, it does appear to be a bit more of a walk.
I'm enjoying it so far. Ask me again when we get to it.
I was going to say you got another, what, 1.2 miles. Could all go horribly wrong. We're about halfway through the hike now, and to be honest with you, it is hot, but I think it's more hot because of the humidity in the trees. It's pretty steady uphill incline, but nothing too drastic. That is a nice boulder. So off the main trail, if you put in on Google Maps, you can see it's pretty much exactly where it's telling me I am. If you come off here, looks like you sort of come off the trail a little bit, come down this way. This is all very experimental, but I can hear a waterfall. Oh, there's the waterfall. Is this it? Or is it further up? I have no idea where we are. There's a part of me that thinks this isn't it. I mean, don't get me wrong, this is beautiful, but I don't think it's it. I don't recognise this rock layout. I think there was more of a bulbous rock on the left-hand side on the videos I've seen. If you have a look, I think there was more of a bulbous rock and more of an entryway into the water. So, I guess we just keep looking for a bit. I think I see it, El. Yeah, there's a big opening down there. Yeah, as you get up closer to where you... I'm presuming this, by the way. I haven't actually been up here yet, but it's kind of obvious. You cut in where there's a groove, like a natural groove in the pathway. I'm going to assume we go down there. This is B-E-A beautiful. Look at it. Wow. Sun's going in just as we get down to the water. That's helpful. I believe this is the place. Just got a time check for Mel. It's about 1:30, which means we were down there for probably about 2 hours in total. Well worth the hike up. I mean, it's not even that tough a walk. It's about an hour to walk, if that, maybe 40 minutes. I do. 40-minute walk up there. And it's just all sort of like a slight incline. And then once you get there, wow, worth a swim. It is a little bit cold though first thing in the morning. I think it was probably about 10:30, 11 when we got there. Did some jumping as well, which I've never done before, so that was good fun. All in all, well worth a trip up there. And when the sun comes out, it just becomes lovely in that little hole. That might be my favourite place in the Great Smoky Mountains. I genuinely believe that might be the best spot I've been to so far. Just on here, this hike has loads of little turn-offs, a little bit like this one, where you can just walk down right to the river, and it is absolutely beautiful out here. What a place. The Great Smoky Mountains. What a place.
And that brings our week at the Smoky Mountains to an end. I mean, we've done a lot. We have done a lot in the Smoky. Look at that view. Look at it. It's insane. But overall, what an incredible week. I would recommend that anybody tempted to sort of go somewhere, even if national parks aren't your thing, there's so much to do around here. You can just never, ever complain about that view. So, yeah, Great Smoky Mountains is definitely up there. Love this national park, love this area. I'm going to be back here in a year and a half or something. We've got it already planned out, 2027, I think it is, we're coming with Elle's family. Just, what a place. What a place.